How to hide who texts you on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Notifications. In the Notification Style section, scroll through the list of apps and tap on Messages. This will open the specific notification settings for the Messages app. Now, scroll down and tap on Show Previews. Change the settings from When Unlocked to Never. This ensures that the content of your messages will not be visible on the lock screen, enhancing your privacy. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily hide who texts you on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.